Everyone's waiting to find out, when is the Xiaomi 16 Ultra launching, and when will it hit the market? Well, it looks like Xiaomi is planning to bring some exciting new features for its users, and at a great price too. There have been a lot of rumors about the release date, but so far, nothing has been officially confirmed. However, we've gathered some information and visuals from our sources to give you a sneak peek at what to expect from the Xiaomi 16 Ultra. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. First up, the build quality. The Xiaomi 16 Ultra is expected to come with a titanium alloy frame, making it stronger and more premium than ever. On the back, we're looking at a stylish eco-leather finish, giving it a modern yet classic look and feel. Xiaomi might also introduce two-way satellite communication, which can be a game-changer for emergency situations and off-grid connectivity. In terms of durability, the phone will come with dust and water resistance rated at IP68, meaning it's built to survive harsh conditions. Moving to the display, it's nothing short of impressive. A 6.85-inch LTPO AMOLED screen, delivering rich colors and deep contrasts. It'll support a 144Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming, along with a massive 3500 nits of brightness to keep everything visible even under sunlight. The resolution is expected to be 1440 by 3200 pixels with a cinematic 20:9 aspect ratio, perfect for media consumption. When it comes to charging, Xiaomi isn't holding back. You'll get 120W fast charging and a blazing 90W wireless charging option, faster than many wired chargers out there. On the camera side, prepare to be amazed. A massive 432MP main camera that promises mind-blowing detail, and a 40MP front camera for ultra-clear selfies and video calls. Under the hood, you'll find RAM options of 12GB, 16GB, and even 24GB, paired with 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of internal storage. That's more than enough power and space for everything you need. And yes, it supports dual SIM slots, giving you flexibility for personal and work use. As for the expected price, it's likely to launch around $1,200, which is quite competitive considering the high-end features. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.